guys, it's Griffin and Nick, and we're doing a video today of this guy driving a dirt bike. Huh?
You could die. That's sand.
Okay. Sand, dirt. I used to have a dirt bike. And in case you didn't know, getting in the shade. No, this is burning my feet. Yes, it is. We're all recording. Oh, that was cool. That was cool. I know. We're all like recording it, people. We're like recording them. We got like 5 people out here with cameras.
We're like paparazzi.
We're like paparazzi now. Where is he? Make big sand fly. Oh, he's leaving us. No, he's leaving us. Huh?